like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
In this tutorial, I will show you how to protect your document from editing. Let's suppose this is our document, our letter or a memo, and you want to share this document with multi people, and you did not want to any changes to this document. You want to share this document with many people like 100, 200 people, and you did not want to change anything in this document, this letter, this memo. My suggestion is to convert this document to a PDF file and then send to anyone, 1000 people. No one can change anything in your document. Now how we should convert our document to a PDF file? Let's do it. Go to File and click on the Save As button. Save As button. Now the MS Office or MS Word give you option in which format you want to save your document. Click on this Word document. You can change your document in Word Micro. Here is the PDF is the best option. Click on PDF. Now click on the Save button. Click on Save. Your document will be automatically converted to a PDF file. This is the PDF file. Now no one can change anything in your document. Your document is protected from editing. Nothing can be edited in this PDF file. Close this. Minimize this. Here is the PDF which we created from a Word file. This is that PDF. Let's open it. Double click on it. This is the same PDF file. This is the PDF file have the same content which we created in the MS Word. Let's check. This is the content in MS Word. Minimize, and this is that content we converted into a PDF file. Now send your document to anyone. No one can change anything, even a single word in your document. This is the PDF. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.